Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic, SEO-friendly article writing AI tools, 2025. If you're a content creator, blogger, or digital marketer, you already know, SEO is everything. Without it, your content is like a billboard in the middle of the desert. No traffic, no engagement, no conversions. But here's the good news. AI writing tools have evolved, and in 2025, they're smarter than ever. These tools don't just spit out words, they analyze search intent, optimize for keywords, and even improve readability, all while making your content Google-friendly. Whether you're writing for a blog, an affiliate site, or even YouTube descriptions, AI can help you rank higher, faster. In this video, we'll break down the best AI writing tools for SEO in 2025, how they work and which one is right for you. Tips to make AI-generated content rank on Google. The biggest mistakes to avoid when using AI for SEO. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to leverage AI tools like a pro and skyrocket your content's visibility in search results. But before we jump in, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge content, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with SEO writing? Let's get into it. Before we begin, want to know our #1 recommended side hustle that's perfect for beginners. No tech skills, no experience, or social media following are required. Just your phone, an internet connection, and a few hours a day. And here's the best part. There are no monthly expenses, and it pays up to $900 daily. And you get free mentoring with step-by-step interactive training to help you crush it. Curious? Check out beachlaptopoffice.com now, or hit the link in the description to learn more. Alright, let's talk about why SEO matters more than ever in 2025. If you think you can just write a blog, throw in a few keywords, and expect to rank, think again. Google's algorithm has evolved, and it's now smarter, stricter, and more competitive than ever before. Here's the deal. Content quality is king. Google's AI now prioritizes user experience, engagement, and EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. That means stuffing keywords won't cut it. If your content doesn't provide real value, it won't rank. Period. But there's another challenge, the rise of AI-generated content. With thousands of people using AI tools, the internet is more saturated than ever. If you want to stand out, you need to go beyond just using AI. You need to strategically optimize it for SEO. In 2025, winning the SEO game means understanding search intent. What is the user really looking for? Using AI to enhance, not replace, human creativity. Optimizing for voice search and AI-driven search queries. Focusing on long-form, high-value, and interactive content. If you're not paying attention to these SEO trends, your content will get buried. But don't worry. We're about to break down the best AI tools that will help you stay ahead of the competition. Let's dive in. Now that we know why SEO is more competitive than ever in 2025, let's talk about how AI writing tools can help you dominate the rankings. Not all AI tools are created equal. Some just churn out generic text, while others are built for SEO success. So what makes an AI writing tool SEO-friendly? Here are the game-changing features you should look for. Advanced keyword optimization. The best AI tools don't just generate content, they analyze keyword density, placement, and variations to maximize search rankings. Some even suggest LSI keywords, latent semantic indexing, to make your content more relevant. Search intent. Matching, ranking isn't just about keywords anymore. AI tools now analyze search intent and ensure your content aligns with what users are actually looking for. Informational, transactional, or navigational queries. Content structure and readability. Google favors well-structured, easy-to-read content. AI tools help by breaking up text with headers, bullet points, and concise paragraphs to improve user experience and dwell time. Plagiarism and originality checks. AI-generated content needs to be unique and authoritative. The best tools fact-check sources and ensure originality to prevent duplicate content penalties. Automated SEO audits. Some AI tools even analyze your competitors, suggest improvements, and generate SEO-friendly meta descriptions to boost rankings. These features separate winning content from AI-generated fluff. Up next, I'll reveal the best AI writing tools of 2025. Let's get into it. As we move further into 2025, the SEO landscape continues to evolve at a rapid pace. Staying ahead of the curve means understanding not just the current trends, but also anticipating future shifts. So, what does the future hold for SEO, and how will AI writing tools adapt to these changes? Here are some key trends to watch out for. Voice search optimization. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing for voice search will become crucial. AI tools will need to generate content that answers conversational queries effectively. AI-driven personalization, one-size-fits-all content is a thing of the past. Future AI tools will leverage user data to create highly personalized content that speaks directly to individual needs and preferences. Visual and video SEO. As visual content continues to dominate, AI tools will expand their capabilities to optimize images, infographics, and videos for search engines, ensuring that multimedia content ranks just as well as text. Real-time SEO adjustments. The future of SEO is dynamic. AI tools will increasingly offer real-time SEO adjustments, analyzing user behavior and search trends to tweak content on the fly for optimal performance. Enhanced user experience, UX. Google's algorithms are placing more emphasis on user experience metrics like page load speed, mobile friendliness, and interactivity. AI tools will help optimize these aspects to improve overall site performance and rankings. Ethical AI and content authenticity. As AI-generated content becomes more prevalent, ensuring authenticity and ethical use of AI will be paramount. Future tools will include features to verify factual accuracy and maintain ethical standards. These trends indicate a future where AI writing tools are not just assistants, but essential partners in your SEO strategy. In the next section, we'll dive into the top AI writing tools of 2025 that can help you stay ahead of these trends. Let's get into it. Now that you know the future trends and the top AI writing tools, let's look at a real-world example of how these tools can make a significant impact. Meet Green Tech Innovations, a startup specializing in eco-friendly technology solutions. In early 2025, they faced a common challenge: how to improve their online presence and drive more organic traffic to their website. The team at Green Tech Innovations decided to leverage AI tools to revamp their SEO strategy. Here's how they did it. Green Tech Innovations started by using Phrase.io to analyze top-ranking content in their niche. The tool provided a list of high-potential keywords and related terms, giving them a solid foundation for their content strategy. Next, they turned to Jasper AI for content creation. Jasper's human-like writing style and built-in SEO features allowed them to produce high-quality, engaging blog posts and articles. Each piece of content was tailored to their target audience and optimized for the selected keywords. For on-page optimization, they used Surfer AI. This tool analyzed their existing content and provided actionable recommendations for keyword placement, internal linking, and NLP terms. Surfer AI's insights helped them fine-tune their content for maximum relevance and readability. To keep up with changing search trends, Green Tech Innovations used Writer for real-time SEO adjustments. Writer's built-in SEO scoring system enabled them to make quick tweaks to their content, ensuring it stayed aligned with the latest search algorithms. Finally, they used Google Gemini for content to monitor their campaign's performance. This free, AI-driven tool provided detailed analytics on keyword rankings, organic traffic, and user engagement. The data helped them identify what's working and what needs further optimization. Within just 6 months, Green Tech Innovations saw a 150% increase in organic traffic, a 200% boost in keyword rankings, and a significant improvement in user engagement metrics. Their success story is a testament to the power of AI tools in crafting a winning SEO strategy. So, if you're looking to elevate your SEO game in 2025, don't overlook the potential of AI writing tools. In the next section, we'll explore the top AI writing tools that can help you achieve similar results. Stay tuned. Choosing the right AI writing tool for your SEO needs can be overwhelming, given the plethora of options available. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through the noise. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you select the best AI writing tool for your SEO strategy. Step 1. Identify your needs before diving into the options. Clearly define what you need from an AI writing tool. Are you looking for content creation, keyword analysis, or on-page optimization? Understanding your specific needs will narrow down your choices. Step 2. Research and compare tools. Make a list of potential AI writing tools that align with your requirements. Look for reviews, case studies, and user feedback. Compare features, pricing, and ease of use. Tools like Phrase.io, Jasper AI, and Surfer AI are excellent for comprehensive SEO strategies, while Writer and Writesonic are great for budget-friendly options. Step 3. Test the tools. Most AI writing tools offer free trials or demo versions. Use these opportunities to test the tools firsthand. Evaluate their user interface, functionality, and how well they integrate with your existing workflow. Pay attention to the quality of the content they generate and their SEO capabilities. Step 4. Check for integration and scalability. Ensure the tool integrates seamlessly with your existing platforms, such as CMS, social media, and analytics tools. Additionally, consider the scalability of the tool. As your content needs grow, will the tool be able to handle increased demand and complexity? Step 5. Analyze cost versus benefits. While premium tools offer advanced features, they come at a higher cost. Weigh the benefits against the price to determine if it fits your budget. Sometimes, free or budget-friendly tools like Google Gemini for content can deliver excellent results without breaking the bank. Step 6. Seek community and support. Join online communities or forums related to AI writing tools and SEO. Engage with other users to get insights and tips. Also check the support options provided by the tool's developers. Good customer support can be invaluable when you encounter issues or need assistance. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to choose the best AI writing tool that aligns with your SEO goals. Remember, the right tool can significantly enhance your content strategy and drive better results. Next, we'll delve into the top SEO-friendly AI writing tools of 2025. Stay tuned to find out which tools can help you achieve maximum SEO impact. As we've explored the landscape of SEO and AI writing tools, let's summarize the key takeaways and provide actionable tips to help you implement these insights into your SEO strategies effectively. First, remember that SEO is ever evolving. Staying updated with the latest trends and tools is crucial. Invest time in continuous learning and be adaptable to changes in algorithms and best practices. Next, leverage AI writing tools to streamline your content creation process. Use tools like Surfer AI and Phrase.io for in-depth analysis and on-page optimization, and Jasper AI for producing high-quality, long-form content. Additionally, ensure that your chosen AI tool integrates well with your existing systems, whether it's your CMS, social media platforms, or analytics tools. This will help in maintaining a smooth workflow and scaling your efforts as needed. Don't forget the importance of user experience. Optimize your content not just for search engines, but also for your readers. High-quality, engaging content will always perform better in the long run. Lastly, join communities and seek support. Engaging with other users and experts can provide valuable insights and help you troubleshoot any issues you might face. Good customer support from tool developers is also essential for a seamless experience. By following these tips and leveraging the power of AI writing tools, you can enhance your SEO strategy and achieve better results. And now let's dive into the top SEO-friendly AI writing tools of 2025 that can help you rank higher, write faster, and create better content than ever before. Stay tuned. Now let's get to the real game changers. The best AI writing tools of 2025 that can help you rank higher, write faster, and create better content than ever before. Premium AI writing tools. Surfer AI. This powerhouse doesn't just write, it analyzes Google's top-ranking pages and generates SEO-optimized content tailored for higher rankings. It even suggests keyword placement and NLP terms for maximum relevance. Jasper AI, known for its human-like writing style, Jasper is perfect for long-form content. With built-in SEO features and brand voice customization, it's a go-to for bloggers and businesses. Phrase.io want to outperform competitors. Phrase analyzes top-ranking content and helps you write better than them. It also provides real-time SEO suggestions and content briefs. Copy.ai. Ideal for marketers, Copy.ai generates SEO-friendly ad copy, blogs, and social media content in seconds. Free and budget-friendly AI tools. Writer affordable, easy to use, and comes with built-in SEO scoring. Writesonic. Great for AI-powered blog posts, landing pages, and meta descriptions. Google Gemini for content-free, AI-driven, and Google integrated. Perfect for content research and keyword analysis. Whether you go premium or free, these tools can't replace strategy. AI is revolutionizing SEO content writing, but the real magic happens when you combine AI's efficiency with human creativity. The future of content isn't about choosing between AI or humans. It's about learning how to use AI strategically while adding your unique voice and expertise. As a reminder, to learn more about our #1 recommended side hustle that's perfect for beginners. No tech skills, no experience, and no social media following needed. Just your mobile device, an internet connection, and a few hours a day earning up to $900 daily, with free mentoring and step-by-step interactive training. Check out beachlaptopoffice.com now, or hit the link in the description to learn more. Now that you know the best AI writing tools of 2025, the question is, are you ready to take action? Don't just watch. Start experimenting with these tools, optimize your SEO strategy, and stay ahead of the competition. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button to support the channel. Drop a comment below. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? And don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI, SEO, and digital success. Stay ahead, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next video.